Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos like a sequence development, performance tuning, and SSIS as well as Power BI, so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain so what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel to design this report and all. Okay, so category, customer, so date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important. We'll try to see that is also. So just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on these key columns, I have enabled the relationship between the date table as well as internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship for the other tables also. We'll try to see more in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report design only. Just click on report. Now we can see that this is the matrix as well, and this is year slicer. So in the matrix as well, in the row section, so I have used the region, but in headers column section I have used the month year. Okay, month year I have used in the columns. So based on the slicer, automatically we are displaying the each region wise what is the sales in the month wise. For example, in the region Australia, so what is the sales amount January month, February month, in the based on the selected year. Okay, so April, like that. So each region wise we can understand the sales amount for the each month for the selected year. Now we can say that. Along with that, I have added so conditional formatting. I'll try to show that is also. So just click on total sales, conditional formatting icon. It's getting open. So now we can see that I have written rules, 3 rules. So if the sales amount greater than so 15,000, so display this icon. So if it is in 15,000 in between 30,000, display this one. So if it is in 30,000 more than this, display this one. So likewise I have created the conditional formatting. Okay, based on that it's working. For example, if I click on 2003, see we can see that. So each month wise, so with respect to the region, what is the sales amount, along with the icons also there, so that we can easily understand. Okay, so what are the condition we have applied, based on that we can understand which region doing more in the respective month wise. So like that. So I have designed the report. Even you can understand so totals and subtotals also. Okay, we can select anything. For example, if I click on 2001, so now we can see that from the July to December only, because we have sales in the fact table from the starting from the July 2001 onwards. So that is the reason we did not see from January month onwards. In case if I select on 2004, so we have the sales from January to July only. There is no September, October up to December. We don't have. We have sales only July month in 2004. So that is the reason we are getting the sales from January to July in 2004. For example, when I click on 2001, we can see that July to December only. Okay, so it's very simple expression only. There is no complicated. Just so total sales only. So for getting the total sales, I have used the calculate sum x function. So so and background I have applied some color and all, so to get this effect and all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this report. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So far I've created 100 videos on Power BI plus DAX, so please try to watch if possible. So thanks so much for watching.